BJP Mahila Morcha Nagaland Naga President Sachola Rothongpa Kushi ke 33% Women's Reservation Bill do BJP Party nimide ekla nohoi holibi desh laga sob maki kha nimide ase kushi abi details
Or against the Nagaland Pradesh Mahila Congress Kushe, they have specifically mentioned that the sudden love for women's reservation by the Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Samaj is more of a political hypocrisy and election opportunism. So Tate, what do you have to comment on that?
Well, you see, this is all politics. So, as a political opponent, anything that is done by any party, the opponents will always rise against it, whether it is good or bad. So, whatever they have said, it is their right to speak out, and for us also, it is our right to move for it. So, this 33% reservation for women is not only for BJP party or for any regional party, it is for all the women of the country. So, I believe the women of other parties, maybe because of some technical reasons, they might have said this or that, but in the heart of heart, when the bill is passed, every party woman will be taking the chance. So I hope and pray that in the heart of heart, they are praying for us. Thank you.
They have also said that the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments actually have this 33% reservation under the Congress rule during PV Narasimha Rao's rule. So that time it was implemented for Panchayati Raj and the urban local bodies.
Yes.
But then it has not been implemented by the BJP government since its start of governance. Why has it taken this long, would you say? And in regard to Nagaland, how it will get delayed because of the delimitation and 2029 census. So do you have anything to say on that?
Well, during the Congress time, they had laid this bill, but it was not implemented. So, you know, for any bill to be passed, we need majority in the parliament. So there was those technical reasons why it was not being able to pass during the BJP regime in the beginning. But today, we have the majority in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and we believe our Prime Minister is a man who stands for women. So I believe this time all our leaders will use their wisdom and support to pass this bill so that the women in the country also will increase in the decision-making body.
Don't you think it's just perfect timing during the elections, or is it just coincidence, ma'am?
Sometimes it happens, sometimes there are things, you know, some policies which has to be implemented in time, and this is politics. What do we say to that?
Don't you think your government is trying to add on this reservation going in election time? Other colleagues can be they're trying to play a political game. Technical as will be political no?
No, it is not a joke. You see, for us women, whatever may be the time or the season, as long as the bill is passed, we will accept it. Whichever party passes the bill, we will accept it.
So how Nagaland is going to face, because itu pure asukli to delimitation vadim to obviously itu kya mehan margin gurubo lagibo census site de area wise divide gurubo kun to seat ko itu to amena Nagaland state de parbon na eman chudu state ke kan chudu katigine bhara do kun represent gurubo lase representative thaka dem de nutun kan olabo duita aro to ola dem de kam du kinga gurine jabo lase itu bi sabal du lase to maiki manuhi itu duita seat te bobo na kuni bobo lase itu bi kuchna kone.
No, the delimitation will be there, of course, for the whole country. It took delimitation kurigen pichedu. I mean, last seat adjustment hagibo, and itia dahan rough calculation kura dedo. We Nagaland will get 2 Lok Sabha seats. So the more we get, the better it is for all of us, because we just have one. La population committee and only 1 Lok Sabha, 1 Rajya Sabha MP. So that region probably cover kurbo na pare. We say population committee but still then they are not able to cover with the fund that tujun laka share bra. So when we have extra again, more members in the parliament and Rajya Sabha, we'll have more development funds for us, you know. So there, we should be thankful that the government is ready to give us.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन इधर दुईटा सीट पाबो कहाँ से तो आपने यहाँ तो वुमेन रिजर्वेशन 33 एज क्वेश्चन तो सीट तो वुमेन कांडे रिजर्व करू दिबो ना करू किले कुरबो पारेले कुल तो आपने तो लगी ना लगी तो भी एक बार कोई सभी आपने रिप्रेजेंट करे से मागी कान के 33 रिजर्वेशन कांडे आपने स्टैंड करे से दैट इज राइट टाइम इधर दिबो लगे को से बट दुईटा नतुन सीट ओला से तो व्हाई नॉट फॉर द वुमेन तो रिजर्व करने दिबो लगे तो आपने की को
No, we are saying 33% reservation, but that will be calculated, na? Mathematical calculation kuribo. Just because we have 2 seats in the parliament, it will be tabi maiki lobo la kotha nai. Okay? There will be a mathematical political calculation. So ekta mota bhi pabo pare. So we should wait for it.
Ma'am, one final question. ENPO also. Now, what about 33% reservation for them? Will that be separated from the state?
For that, I have no comments now.
Do you really know what you're eating? Not all eggs are the same. Choose Junaki eggs you can trust. At Junaki, quality begins at the source. Fresh, safe, and perfect for your family.
Every Junaki egg is lab tested for safety and problem harmful bacteria.
Bring home the nutrition your family truly deserves.